If your Epic Games launcher is giving you errors, freezing, not opening, or just refusing to load properly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step fix that can solve the most common Epic Games launcher problems on Windows. We're going to clear the launcher cache, repair the installation, update a few important settings, and refresh your network settings so everything has the best chance of working again. This is a great fix to try before uninstalling anything or wasting time on complicated troubleshooting. Before we get into it, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel, and it means you won't miss the next fix when you need it. Alright, let's jump straight into the first step. First, make sure the Epic Games launcher is completely closed. Don't just close the window at the top. Go down to the system tray in the bottom right corner of your screen and look for the Epic Games icon. If you see it there, right-click it and close the launcher fully. This is important because if the launcher is still running in the background, some of the changes we make won't work properly. Next, we're going to change the launcher shortcut settings. Find the Epic Games launcher shortcut on your desktop or in your start menu, then right-click it and choose Properties. In the Properties window, click the Compatibility tab. Here, check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. This gives the launcher the permissions it may need to open correctly and avoid errors caused by limited access. After that, click Apply, then click OK to save the change. Now we're going to clear the local cache, which is one of the most effective fixes for launcher issues. Press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run box. In the field, type %local app data%, then press Enter. This will take you to your local app data folder where many apps store temporary files. Inside this folder, look for the Epic Games Launcher folder and open it. Then open the saved folder. In there, find the Webcache folder and delete it. If you see more than one Webcache folder, remove those as well. Don't worry, this will not delete your games or your account. It simply clears corrupted temporary data that can cause loading problems, login issues, or endless spinning when the launcher starts. After that, we'll repair the launcher through Control Panel. Open the Control Panel from your Start menu, then go to Programs, and then Programs and Features. Find Epic Games Launcher in the list, right-click it, and choose Repair if that option is available. If you don't see Repair, you may need to use the Modify or Reinstall option depending on your version. The goal here is to let Windows check the installation and fix missing or damaged files. Now let's refresh your network cache. Open Command Prompt as an administrator. You can do this by typing Command Prompt into the Start menu, right-clicking it, and selecting Run as administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. This clears your DNS cache and can fix connection-related issues that stop the launcher from reaching Epic's servers properly. The next step is to make sure Windows and your graphics drivers are fully updated. Sometimes launcher problems happen because of outdated system files or graphics components. Open Windows Update and install any available updates. Then check your graphics card software, whether that's NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and install the latest driver updates. This can improve compatibility and prevent the launcher from crashing or displaying errors. Once you've done all of that, restart your computer. This final restart helps Windows apply the changes, reset background processes, and launch Epic Games Launcher with a clean start. After your PC boots back up, open the launcher again and see if the error is gone. If it still doesn't work, go back and double check each step carefully, especially the cache deletion and the administrator setting. Those two fixes alone solve a lot of Epic Games Launcher problems for most users, and that's it. You've just gone through a complete fix for Epic Games Launcher errors on Windows. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick and simple troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.